Everybody, look at this view. We're in Morocco! Hi, welcome to the channel, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be starting a tour. We're currently in Italy. Episode 1 of Season 2, and we start with Strada Della Forra. We have travelled down from Austria and we're en route to a specific destination. Hey guys, it really helps me out if you can share the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for new content. Just enjoy these amazing views. Oh, sensational road. Everybody, look at this view. This has to be the most exciting road I've been on. Guys, if you agree, if you've been on it, comment below. Transalp. Not sure where we are going to be camping, but I can tell you one thing. It's probably one of the most exciting campsites I've been to. So if you're in Lake Garda, recommended. Big shout out to Leo Salzberger. Thank you for the book. I will put a link below for all the details. At the Wiesing Fahrschule, the Wiesing driving school. And Sarah, thank you for the psychological information and all the psychological awareness on the motorbikes, riding a motorbike and so on. Thanks for joining me again, and see you next time.